Did you know that eucalyptus is the most researched essential oil? I'm guessing you thought that prize might go to lavender. As of June 2021, there were 108 articles published about eucalyptus essential oils, including 12 in vitro studies, 4 in vivo studies, 3 clinical studies, and 7 studies about the chemical composition. Hey, wellness enthusiasts! Welcome to Essential Oils 101, where we learn about essential oils, their health benefits, and how to use them. Today, we're delving into the world of eucalyptus, a powerful essential oil with a long history of medicinal use. We'll explore its different species, uncover its incredible benefits, and create a potent immunity-boosting diffuser blend inspired by the classic thieves' oil. I'd love to hear from you. What essential oils would you like to learn about next? Drop them in the comments and we'll make videos about them. This class is all about you. Do yourself a favor and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the wealth of knowledge that you won't find anywhere else. Keep watching to the end so you don't miss my favorite tips and tricks. Eucalyptus is a genus of over 700 species, but today we'll focus on the most commonly used ones in aromatherapy. Eucalyptus globulus. Known for its strong camphoraceous scent, it's often used for respiratory issues. Eucalyptus radiata. Possessing a milder aroma, it's gentler on the skin and often used in skincare products. It's also one of the few species that is safe for young children. Eucalyptus citriodora. With a lemony fragrance, it's popular for uplifting and refreshing the mind. This species is often referred to as lemon eucalyptus. Eucalyptus essential oil blends well with rosemary, peppermint, pine, cypress, lemon myrtle, all citrus oils, lavender, chamomile, cedarwood, frankincense, and tea tree. Please pardon the interruption because you're definitely going to want to hear this. I am absolutely obsessed with high heels, but I refuse to suffer for my art. I started using Vivian Leigh insoles 4 years ago. Now they're in every pair of heels I own. Let's not talk about how many there are. The science behind how they work is fascinating. They don't just cushion your soles, they actually shift your weight to prevent the pain. If you want to try Vivian Leigh insoles for 20% off, check the link in the description. If you're like me, you can email them to buy in bulk after you realize you never want to wear heels without them again. Thanks for sharing this special stiletto-obsessed moment with me. I sincerely appreciate you for supporting my shoe habit. Now back to our regularly scheduled program. Eucalyptus oil is rich in compounds like cineole, which has potent antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Numerous studies have explored its benefits. Research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 2013 found that eucalyptus oil can help alleviate symptoms of respiratory infections. A study in the Journal of Pain in 2007 demonstrated eucalyptus oil's effectiveness in reducing post-operative pain. Research in the Phytotherapy Research Journal in 2009 highlighted eucalyptus oil's potential to combat oxidative stress. There are many different ways to use eucalyptus essential oil. For muscle and joint pain relief, dilute eucalyptus oil in a carrier oil like pomegranate seed oil or rosehip oil and massage into sore areas. You can make your own bath salts by adding a few drops of eucalyptus, rosemary, and grapefruit essential oils to magnesium flakes. Add the magnesium to a mason jar, then add your essential oils. Shake the jar to ensure even coverage. You could also add a few drops in the shower before getting in to create a spa-like experience. Please place the drops of oil in front of where you plan to stand for safety. During cold and flu season, you can add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to a bowl of hot water, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam to clear sinuses and relieve congestion. You could also add a few drops to a humidifier. Don't forget to clean your humidifiers regularly as they are a breeding ground for mold. Eucalyptus oil has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it a potential addition to homemade cleaning solutions. A blend of eucalyptus, peppermint, lemongrass, and camphor can be used for natural pest control. Blend 15 milliliter bottles of each oil in a mason jar, then fill with water. You can then use a turkey baster to create a perimeter at your front and back doors along with your garage. Want to make your own DIY shower cleaner spray? Let's do it! The ingredients are 1 cup white vinegar, 1 cup distilled water or cucumber hydrosol, 1/4 cup isopropyl alcohol that is at least 90%, and 10 to 15 drops eucalyptus essential oil. Add these ingredients to a glass spray bottle, preferably one with a silicone sleeve at the base. Spray the mixture onto shower walls, doors and fixtures. Allow it to sit for a few minutes. Wipe away with a clean cloth or sponge. For tougher grime, let the solution sit for longer. Always test the solution on a small area first to ensure it doesn't damage the surface. One of the most popular ways to harness eucalyptus's immune-boosting properties is by incorporating it into a diffuser blend. Let's create a variation of the classic thieves' oil, which is believed to have originated from a group of thieves who used a blend of herbs and spices to protect themselves from disease during the Black Plague. Here is the recipe for my immunity-boosting diffuser blend. 3 drops Eucalyptus radiata, 2 drops juniper berry, 2 drops clove bud, 2 drops sweet orange, and 1 drop lemon. You can also use this diffuser blend to create a DIY room spray. Instead of using water as a base, we'll opt for rose hydrosol. Hydrosols are gentle, aromatic waters produced during the steam distillation process of essential oils. Unlike rose water, which is often infused with rose petals, hydrosols contain the true essence of the plant and possess phytochemicals that don't exist in the essential oil. As a result, all hydrosols have antimicrobial properties. For the DIY room spray, I suggest using a continuous mist spray bottle. You can find them at Amazon. To make 100 milliliters of room spray, you'll need 70 milliliters of rose hydrosol, 20 milliliters of isopropyl alcohol that is at least 90%, and 10 milliliters of the immunity-boosting diffuser blend. You can use a food scale set to grams to weigh these amounts. To use the spray, try to aim as high as possible so the mist dissipates before it hits any furniture. As a disclaimer, never apply essential oils directly to skin without proper dilution. Never ingest essential oils unless directed by a practitioner. Essential oils should be seen as complementary therapy and not a cure-all for every medical condition. Eucalyptus is an incredibly versatile essential oil with a wide range of benefits. By incorporating it into your daily routine through diffusion or a room spray, you can harness its power to support your immune system and overall well-being. So, did you learn something new today? That's exactly why this channel exists. If you found this information to be at all helpful, be sure to like this video. It's an easy way to support this channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications for more tips and discussions on essential oils, natural remedies, and holistic wellness. Thanks for watching to the end. See you next time. Check out one of these videos if you would like to watch more of our content.